we're going to take this plug out so I can make a plug-in aluminum for the distributor. And it's just a nice tight fit in here. But I designed this plug and printed it in plastic for the initial setup, and now I need to get it in aluminum so that we don't have any issues. Yeah, so that's the plug. Of course, it's not going to have this ear on it. It'll just be a rounded piece. I've got a metal bracket for that, but that's the design I made. But the bar stock that I have is only big enough to do this with about a 1/4 inch lip all the way around it. So we need O-ring groove, and I may do one extra O-ring groove in here just so I know I've got good contact. Get over here on the workbench. If I had my computer out, I could just pull up the spec sheet and measure it, but I need 1 1/8 in depth, 1 1/2 overall depth. So if I cut me a 2-inch plug, and we are 1 1/16. Whatever. Okay. What do we got to leave now? Can I resolve? No. Well, yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there. Go on, grab that. I'll let that work out. All right, so we're going to put this in check and check it around this. Okay, so we're in about 3 thousandths now, which is about as good as this is going to get for what we're doing. So let's get our gauge out of the way there. Okay. GoPro stop capture. All right, so I got us the light up over here so we can see. All right. Want to make sure your safety glasses are on, all the good stuff. We're going to go ahead and kick this on. So we're just going to take nice slow passes and face this off. Since I'm new to all this, I run nice and slow. Keep it true now. to keep my work area as clean as possible. So I'll work with that for now. Take a look. See if that makes any difference here. Make it run a little quicker. Yes. Very cool. That's the gate. Take one on your door. Put it on your phone. Okay. Kind of a little bit here. Hold on, what's up? It looks very nice. Your mess of cheese out there. Come on, I'll definitely be figuring another way out to address these chips. I'm like another one before. Just part of the way, I guess. Two more millimeters. What? I want to get there. That. The plastic was real small. That's 169 right there. 2670. 2670. 170 right there. So about 30,000. I think. Nice little chamfer there. 3 O-ring grooves. Hopefully before I run out of battery. Oh. Go back. Yeah, just the battery. So long enough. Now we're going to fit. We got trim off the edge. I followed this edge. So I'm never mess with it anymore. Put it right. On the side. For another part. Put your part in here. Face tool. Alright. That should do it. Swap that down and make sure it'll go in the hole. So this is the final part. Cleaned up. Test fitted, it does fit in, so we're good to go.